Welcome to this quick tutorial on VARGAL. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and use VARGAL to create beautiful image and video galleries for your product variations. First, upload the plugin zip file to your site. Then click Activate. That's it, your plugin is ready to go. To add a variation gallery, simply upload images or videos for each variation. You can drag and drop to rearrange the gallery items. This changes how they're shown on the front end. You can also choose a loading icon and adjust its color. Once done, check the front end to see your result in action. To add a video to your main product gallery, upload a video file just like an image. You can also drag and drop to change its position in the gallery display. To change the thumbnail for your video, go to the media library, click the video file and update its featured image. That image will show as the video's preview. Next, let's enable image zoom on hover. Go to Gallery Template General and turn on image zoom. Now check out the front end. Hovering over an image gives your customers a closer look. Enable Autoplay if you want the gallery to slide automatically. Set the delay time in seconds between each switch. You can also enable pause on hover so the gallery stops when the mouse is over it. Once enabled, your gallery moves on its own, no clicks needed. Choose how your images switch by selecting a transition style, slide, fade or zoom. Try each one and see which fits your store best. Choose where the navigation arrows appear and select a style for them. You can customize their background and icon color, including hover colors. You can also choose to show or hide the navigation dots. Enable product image to show the main product image together with the variation gallery. On the front end, the product image will appear at the bottom of the gallery list. Other than product image, you can do the same with product gallery. To include the default WooCommerce product gallery, simply enable the default gallery option, and those images will be shown below the variation gallery. Lightbox allows visitors to view images or videos in a pop-up. Choose a Lightbox icon, customize its color and hover effect. You can show or hide image names. These are pulled from the image caption or title if there's no caption. You can also enable full screen mode and select navigation icons to switch between gallery items and Lightbox. To help customers navigate quickly, turn on thumbnails for variation gallery items. Then, choose their position, top, bottom, left, or right of the main image. You can make interaction faster by allowing image change upon hovering instead of clicking the thumbnails. Enable this swap images on hover option. Now when a customer hovers over a thumbnail, the main image switches instantly, no click needed. If you've got a lot of gallery items, try the display a slide option. This turns your thumbnails into a scrollable slider. Enable the infinite loop option to make the slider loop continuously without stopping once it reaches the last slide. It will return to the first slide and keep cycling through the items smoothly. You can also adjust the space between thumbnails and the gap between thumbnails and the main image. The gap settings still work even if the slider is off. With EXMAGE Pro, you can add images or videos by URL from platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, or any direct link. They'll appear in the media library along with your regular uploads. Just select them to add to your product or variation gallery, and you're done.